We are making new American dreams come true.
President Donald Trump touting strong economic numbers with robust growth and near record low U.S. unemployment.
Now that we have the best economy in the history of our country, this is the time to straighten out the worst trade deals ever made by any country on earth at any time.
Trump tweeting that tariffs are working big time and claiming they will improve America's finances and bring jobs and great wealth. The president's allies in Congress beg to differ.
I've made it pretty clear I don't think tariffs are the right answer. I don't support tariffs. I think tariffs are taxes. We need to be careful about taking action that increase barriers to trade. If we impose higher tariffs without justification, we invite retaliation and higher tariffs on our exports.
And it's not just Republicans complaining. Democratic Senator Heidi Heitkamp of North Dakota tweeted, quote, "An escalation of the trade war with China is the last thing our farmers need as harvest begins. This trade war will hurt North Dakota more than China, not a winning strategy." While certain American sectors are being disproportionately impacted by tariffs, the Trump administration says a trade war will inflict more pain on China and lead to better trading terms for the United States.
We have to have good trade deals. We're going to make our country so much richer than it's ever been.
Business groups see dangers ahead, with the U.S. Chamber of Commerce warning tariffs could undermine the strong economic performance that Trump so proudly trumpets. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.